The FDA granting full approval to Pfizer BioNTech's COVID shot. Let's get to Meg Terrell now with the latest. Meg, I guess we're going to have to get used to the term or the name Comirnaty.
We sure are. We'll see if we start using the brand name, Carl, but that is the name of the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID vaccine, now getting full FDA approval, of course, the first COVID-19 vaccine to do so. And this is for people ages 16 and up. It will continue to be available under emergency use authorization for people ages 12 to 15. And we're still waiting on clinical trial results for kids under 12. And so that is something that we're going to be looking forward to seeing in the next couple months. So this really is for adults and people in their late teens. And the FDA's acting commissioner, Dr. Janet Woodcock, pointing out that while millions of people have already safely received COVID vaccines, we recognize that for some, the FDA approval of a vaccine may now instill additional confidence to get vaccinated. She says today's milestone puts us one step closer to altering the course of this pandemic in the U.S. The expectation is that this could trigger a lot of employers and universities and other entities to feel comfortable mandating a vaccine that is fully FDA approved and not one that is just available on emergency use authorization, even though many have already taken that step and it's even been through the legal system and has been held up in the courts that you can mandate an EUA-cleared vaccine. So we'll have to see, guys, whether this will lead to an increasing sort of domino effect of mandates, and also if it'll tip some folks over who were on the fence, not feeling comfortable yet, but who will start to feel comfortable now. Guys?
Hey, Meg, it's David. Just to, talk about Pfizer for a moment a bit more here. I mean, they recently said, I think, they're going to sell $33.5 billion worth of vaccines in 2021. Do we think that this raises their sales forecast even beyond that?
It's entirely possible. I mean, they have more capacity to sell, so it could go higher. Part of the issue has been getting access to countries that haven't been able to get vaccines yet. And so, that's not really going to change the equation there. But, whether this becomes more of a repetitive revenue stream and the full FDA approval certainly plays into that. And also, we could see changes in the way Pfizer, markets this now that it's a fully approved product. Will we see direct-to-consumer advertising of the COVID vaccine? I've asked Pfizer that question to see what their plans are, and we'll let you know what we hear. But this could kind of change that sort of communication we hear from the company, too.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.